Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to create a training tracker in Monday.com, your complete guide for 2025. To kick things off, log into your Monday.com account. Now once you're in, locate and click on the New button on the left-hand side of your screen and select Blank Board. This is where all the magic happens. Your blank board is your canvas, where we'll design our training tracker from scratch. Now that we've done that, we need to name our board. Let's call it Training Tracker. This helps us because it keeps everything organized and easy to identify. Next up, we'll create the columns we need for our tracker. Click on the plus icon to the right of your first column and add the following columns: Training Module, Status, Due Date, and Assigned To. Remember, these columns are the backbone of our tracker. They ensure that we have all the critical information we need to track and manage our training effectively. Now let's add some data. Simply click on each cell and input the relevant information. For status, you can choose from Not Started, In Progress, or Done. The reason we do this is to have a clear view of where each training module stands. With our data in place, we're moving on to the cool part, creating automations. Click on the Automate button at the top of your board, then select Change Status. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Monday.com will automatically update the status of each training module based on the due date you've set. This not only saves you time, but also ensures you never miss a deadline. And just like that, you've created your training tracker in Monday.com. A quick, efficient way to streamline and manage your training processes. Remember, the key here is consistency. Keep your tracker updated, and it will serve as a powerful tool for your training needs. That's it for today, folks. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.